Why, hello everyone. We are in a place that we haven't been in a while, but I am back at home from my exams, so I'm super excited about that because that means I have a week and a half left until I fly down. So, with being that there's a week and a half left, I have to deal with start packing. So, this video is going to be vlogish style, and with some different tips thrown in there, a little more structured, but hopefully this will help with things that I learned from last year that I screwed up, with things from this year to pack less and pack more organized. So we got this behind me, and this will probably be a few day process to deal with all this, but we are going to start right now. That's not really including clothes. We have some stuff over there. This is not clothes. We have shoes. This. I'm not bringing those. I would like to bring that's a box. My wisdom, but we're bringing this little guy. Shh, really, Andrews, you're being too loud. Bringing this little guy this year. But yeah, these are all accessories. This isn't including any makeup. Not really face stuff. There's hair products, but not really hair elastic stuff. I have three little I can't think of the word. Pouches, those type of things. That I have all that for. As well as I am making a brush holder for packing. And this is my new little trick that I'll be doing this year, is putting all my clothes instead of the big vacuum pack bags, freezer bags. Should be able to fit more in there, have it more compact. So I'll be doing that, so when I get to that part I will show you guys, but I don't want this video to go forever, so I'm going to be doing more of that. This was the beginning, so we have this, and then as I go forward making the brush holder as well as rolling up everything into the bags. We will get there, as well as fitting everything in the luggage. So when I get there, you will see that. So it is 2 days since the last time I talked to you guys. Have not got a lot of progress done. This is what we're working with right now. This is the bad part. Those two are empty. Gotta put stuff in there. This is the bad part. Yeah, not a lot of progress, but I have my list with me today. It was downstairs last time, but I have it with me today. I'll be doing that, hopefully getting all of the clothes that I want together, hopefully getting all that done. So yeah, that's where we're at. Not a lot of progress. I am just over a week to go. So yeah, let's see how much we can get done. I'm in a blanket because it's freezing my house, but I am on day like 4-ish. What you just saw was me doing a makeup roll thing for my brushes. I did that this morning, but that is pretty much the last big thing I had to do. Everything is mostly my suitcases. All of my clothes are in rolled bags. I don't really have, the only other thing is like my carry-on bag and my backpack. Those are more last minute packing things I have to do. But overall, that was the mini montage. I'm gonna call that a montage because I was gonna do like tips and tricks, but we're getting into a montage. That's all I'm really going for right now, because you know, I've been procrastinating every day and not really focusing on it, but we're gonna stick with that. So I hope you enjoyed, sorry my neck hurts. So I hope you enjoyed this packing montage vlog video. I am 1 week left until I fly out, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm like losing my eyesight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the rest of the week for lots more videos on different info that I'm going to do, or different vlogs I'm going to do throughout the week before I head down. So stay tuned, and hope you enjoy, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!